Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alicia. If you're new to my channel, if you're not new to my channel, thank you for coming back. So today I'm reviewing this 4x1 closure wig, which means it's 4 inches across here, 1 inch of parting here that also goes 4 inches back as well. So yes, this is a beautiful burgundy wig. It's definitely giving summer, curls, definitely giving vacation. It's a closure, so you don't have to worry about the ear tabs. It literally stops right here, and then I just threw the baby hairs in, just, you know, to put a little oomph in there. But this hair is going to be an easy and quick install for the summer when all you're trying to do is what? Have fun. Hopefully at the beach. Hopefully not working too much, you know, like you don't have all that time to be installing your wig. So these closure wigs are the summer go-to wig. 100%. Nobody wants to mess with a frontal wig in the summer. Nobody wants to mess with ear tabs, because ear tabs be, listen, you got to put your elbow into the ear tabs, and nobody's trying to do that in the summer, especially when it's about to be hot. The ear tabs are going to be the first ones to lift, honey. Yes. So you want an easy 4x4 closure wig, period. And then who doesn't want some color during the summer? So yes, this wig is giving perfect summertime wig. Okay, perfect summertime wig. So if you guys want to see me unbox this wig, if you guys want to see me install it, please continue to watch. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. Thank you for coming, and let's get started. All right, you guys, so today we are working with Unice hair, or Unice. Comment below, what do you guys call this hair company? Do you call it Unice or Unice? First of all, I'm gonna take my retainer out because I'm not about to be having this list all fucking video. Yeah, so what do you guys do? You guys call it Unice or Unice? Comment below and let me know. Anyway, so the packaging will come like this. Excuse this, I was indulging. I took a little peek, but the box will come like this in this red box. I'm gonna open it real quick for you guys, and I'll show you guys what's inside of it. I'm pretty sure there's a wig in there, some goodies. You know, if it don't come with goodies, excuse me, what are you doing? So first we have the wig. It comes in this plastic bag here. Then we have a snakeskin headband, wig caps. Then we have a bag of goodies. We have a elastic band. I've been wanting one of these elastic bands, and then all of a sudden, like the last few companies that I've worked with all sent me one, so now I went from 0 to like 3 of these. So thank God for these, because I do love these. It looks like we have a makeup brush that is very cute. I'll probably give this to my daughter. Some lashes, and a little shower cap for your head. All right, so this is the wig. This is a curly, what is this called? A 99J burgundy curly wig. This is a 4x1 closure. It only has parting right down the center here, so it must be a middle part. This is what the parting looks like. Very good. Inside you have 3 combs, this extra lip of lace. I just cut it off. Some people don't even cut it off. You don't have to, but you also have the adjustable straps here as well. So this is the wig. This is a 24-inch. This is what the ends are looking like. It looks very, very pretty. I'm really excited about another curly wig. You know, all this summer is coming up, so you know it's gonna be a curly hair bonanza. It's curly hair all summer, okay? All summer. So I'm happy to have another one. But yes, this is the wig. But yes, I'm going to do that real quick and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm gonna take this elastic band off. And this is what it's looking like straight after that. It looks really good. This is very... so I put some concealer on my parting, some foundation powder on my on the perimeter here, and it looks really good. It looks really good, very natural. I threw a couple baby hairs in right here just to disguise the closure here, and it looks very nice. I did have the elastic band on for like 30 minutes. No, it was more than that. It was like 45 minutes to an hour probably, because I did eat some food. So yes, so it did lay my parting very, very good. And this is what the ears look like, because it is a frontal, so there is just like some flaps here like that, and it's just very comfortable and easy to disguise. So I love a closure, a 4x4, a 5x5, a 6x6. Those are my favorite kind. And I did put some use some of this Mixed Chicks styling cream and water just to define the curls, and they did a very good job. The hair is all the way dry at this point. The hair is all the way dry. Nothing is wet, not my scalp, not nothing. I brushed everything out after I like finger coiled it, and it looks really cute. So yes, make sure you guys check out the description box for all the details on this wig, a coupon code on this wig. I will be wearing curly hair throughout the summer, most definitely, and switching up my color is nothing but better. So yes, so I love this. I love this. And I keep on touching it, and so it can just get bigger and bigger, because it will, if you play with it, the hair will just get bigger and bigger. And so yeah, if you want like really big hair, just keep on running your fingers through it, you know? It's like a hair tease. It's a hair tease. So that is the end of my review. That is everything. I love it. I love it. It's giving everything. It's giving everything. Make sure you guys check out the description box for all the details and the link to this wig directly. Also a discount code. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.